thing?
You see that? I cut the fish! He was
Some say that nothing lasts forever, but no one knows what happens when you die. So if this is all there is, it's now or never. Life's too short to not give it a try. So try your wings, find out if you can fly.
Take your time, we got a little drag on that.
I don't wanna live my life doing stuff I don't like to do. I just wanna spend my time on creating something true. I don't wanna live my life just pretending what I'm not. I just wanna spend my time living my life on the spot. I spent my last 3 years in college. That's the oldest guy there. I got my degree. And I guess it all gave me some kind of knowledge. But anyway, I'm still just as naive, hoping greener grass to wave